Hello everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin charts for on the 1 day chart, and since May 21 we have been in this bullish flag pattern, and this was the top, a retest to this zone here. That was June 11th, and this was the first this was the first resistance. That was 22nd May. This was the second resistance, 10th June 2025, and it came down to all this place. And this was the first support, 19th May 2025. Second resistance was 4th of June 2025, and this was the last support, 22nd June 2025. And since then we moved to this zone. So Bitcoin came all the way here. That's 110, came back to retest, and just broke out. What are we expecting? We're expecting that Bitcoin is moving to $168 per coin, because anything above this um this resistance turn support, because this was resistance here, and this was resistance here also. Now it's turn support is breaking out. Anything above this level will send it to 168. How do we know that it will send it to 168? If you measure the distance from here to here, and and you extend it, you have something similar like this. So is the measurement if it's something similar, so it's 168. That's how we got it. So we expect Bitcoin to move faster, bigger, and better. And want to confirm, we go to the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame is still showing us that Bitcoin breakout. So you see, this was the retest here, and it's moving further. Go to the 1 hour time frame. This is where you see it clearly. A retest today about 4 o'clock, Tuesday, June 2025. So brace up, Bitcoin is going to 168K. So that's it. That's what we have. So, but there's something fascinating we are seeing on the uh, Bitcoin dominance index. So this move will move Bitcoin, but it will move more of alternative coins. And alternative coins are Ethereum and other coins. What are we seeing? We see that the highs here was 22nd June 2025, and this was the first stop, 22nd June 2025, and this was the first stop, and this is the second top, that's 27th June 2025. And since then we have been declining. We're expecting this decline from 65.06% on this red line here to fall to 61.91%. So alternative coins are going to do better, bigger, and bolder. So buy your alternative coins and hold. So, and if you go deeply, you will see that to the 4 hour time frame, you see that there has been this was the first support here, second support, third support, fourth support, and now the fifth support. So we easily break here. And aside from that, this a head and shoulder pattern. This is the head and shoulder pattern of the belly. This was left shoulder. This is the head. This is the head. And we're trying to form go down to the neckline. So this is the neckline. So thank you for watching. I would like you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.